The WiKi-Scan batteries are lithium-ion and can take up to 2 hours to charge. When charging the battery, wait until the green LED stops blinking. Once the battery is completely charged, insert the battery by unscrewing the battery end cap and inserting the battery into the WiKi-Scan handle. The battery can be loaded in only one position, so make sure it is aligned properly with the battery connectors. The WiKi-Scan lithium-ion batteries are hot swappable. As you can see, the information is still displayed on the screen after changing the battery.